Alright, so we're here trying to repaint G37 wheels. We got the sanding paper. We got the new tires. Holla, look at that shit.
Wait, let me show you that before.
Look at before and after. God damn, nigga. Nigga was doing hella flush. Ah,
Look at the
damn.
difference.
Damn,
And
son.
new tires.
And then, new tires. Look at that shit. That shit got mad meat, yo. God damn, that shit got mad taste.
P0 right here.
P0.
Even the name sounds sexy. What's pronounce it?
Rozo, whatever that shit is. Yeah. Damn. Nah, trying to fix this shit up. Good deal. We got it for a good deal.
Pirellis.
Pirellis. What you know about that? Ah. So we started off.
They're gonna go on that car.
And it's gonna go in that car over there. That's the whip right there. Oh shit. G35. Chillin'. Alright. So basically we started off sanding the rims. It needs a little bit of more sanding right there. But it's all good.
Of course, next to the Christmas deal.
Oh, the Christmas deers, yeah, like that. Christmas deer.
I left for lunch break actually right now. You see like that.
Oh yeah, Santa left it there. It's like, oh yo, this is my parking lot. Yeah.
They don't last longer. Isn't it recommended for us to have a match or something? Yeah.
So we're here. We put some what is this?
Right here.
This is focus. Paint remover, aircraft paint remover. This is breaking off the paint. We was probably better off putting this first instead of sanding the whole rim down.
Right? It looks easier.
Yeah, it looks easier, yo. You just apply and wait.
Learn, people, learn.
Apply and wait.
Oh, look, it just comes out, bro. It's fast.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, look at the rest. I mean, we sanded this down almost to bare metal. It is better, yo. We sniffed all that fucking dust. That shit we fucking up our.
Myself, I don't need you. Again.
You see what I mean?
That's it. He was just using us. Look at that.
That's what your mom said too, you know that. Yeah. Yeah, I knew that he wanted something. That's why. That's the only reason why he invited you guys. Mom is bad, bro.
Oh, this shit is crazy. This shit, I need to record this. This is aircraft paint remover. Paint remover, yo.
Now I know what I gotta do when I'm fucking
Oh my God. For real, you yeah, right, fuck you.
Oh, you psycho bitches, don't do this at home.
Look at that. That one is moving faster, look. There's more.
Yeah, you can see it.
People, please do not use this product on people that you don't like. On their cars, I mean.
On their cars.
Ladies, you already know.
Alright, crazy bitches.
Don't fuck with us.
Get that shit, bro.
Yeah, you know, they're doing a little brush. Yeah, with like 4 girls in the car. Do some
Ladies,
damage.
buddy, you stick with the gram. Go to a car show.
See that shit eating up the paint.
Oh my god, imagine doing that to somebody at a car show? Get competition?
Yeah, this girl is evil, bro.
I know she's evil, yo. I have to be careful with her, yo. You gotta sleep with one eye open.
You do.
Now which eye is you're gonna have open?
He always has the one to the left. Find like the number.
Zoom out.
Y esta motocicleta, ¿lo ves?
They're looking for you, yo. Down here.
¿Le va a arreglar la motor?
Sí, quiero el frame. Está sacando. Pues lo tengo cuidadito adentro para que no se raye.